Arcs are used in almost every video game. For example, for exclamations you hear when passing an NPC in a busy city street, or success messages when the player character manages to combine items in a useful way. AI-assisted barks give you a quick foundation you can edit and expand upon. Select or create a dialog node or flow fragment depending on the setup of your project, as a container for the barks. Open the right-click context menu and select AI-assisted barks. The AI helper for barks opens. It is quite easy and straightforward to use. There is a settings button, the preview area where the new barks will be displayed, and the text field for the prompt. Let's start with the settings. First, we can decide how many barks we want. Then we set a speaker entity for those barks. With the amount of barks per row, the barks will be set up in a grid structure later in the flow. The AI model dropdown lists all AI models currently available. This list might change over time. Note that certain models may be tied to specific payment plans. Please verify with the third-party service provider. Different models might produce different results with similar prompts, so it is worth experimenting. Next is the so-called temperature range between 0 and 1. It controls the flexibility level of the AI-assisted barks. Another value where it makes sense to experiment to get closer to the desired result. To provide further context, we can add one object from the Articy database. The description of the selected object is sent along with the prompt. Please note that even though the menu allows to select an entire folder, you can only pass along a single object. Therefore, it is advised to provide an unambiguous selection. The last option lets you decide if prompts and responses are supposed to be added to the log file. This might be relevant if you need to contact our support about an issue, but do not want us to see any project data. With all settings done, now it is time to write your prompt. Finish with Enter or by clicking the Start button. The AI does its thing, and after a while we see the result in the display area. If you are satisfied, click the green check mark to confirm. If not, try again with a tweaked or totally new prompt. Previous bark sets stay in the preview window until the AI helper is closed. So if you tried out a couple of prompts and realize an earlier result was the best, you can still choose that one. After confirming, the barks will be converted to flow elements, where you can continue to work on them.